In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted items in Monday.com. Whether it's a crucial project update or a mistakenly deleted task, retrieving these items can be a real game changer. So let's dive in and see how you can quickly restore anything you've accidentally removed. First, open your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where your item was deleted. It's crucial to be on the right board because each board keeps its own set of deleted items. Once there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find 3 horizontal dots there, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Clicking on these dots opens up a palette of options. The More Actions menu is a handy feature that allows you to perform various tasks related to the management of your board. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your cursor over the option labeled View Archive Trash. You will see this option generally house both archived and deleted items, but for this lesson, we're specifically concerned with the trash. Once you hover over it, a secondary menu will pop up. Next, simply click on Trash. This is where all deleted items from the board reside until they are permanently erased. It's a common practice to frequently check your trash folder, not only for recovery purposes, but also for a periodic cleanup to ensure no important information is accidentally left unreviewed. Now that you're in the trash view, let's find the item you wish to recover. You might see a list of deleted tasks or items. If your trash is cluttered, use the search bar at the top to easily locate the specific item. Once you've found your desired item, take note of the 3 horizontal dots next to it, similar to the More Actions menu you used earlier. Click on these 3 dots next to the item you want to recover. This will reveal a small menu tailored specifically to that item. The option Restore will appear. By selecting Restore, you're effectively moving the item back to its original position on the board, exactly as it was before deletion. It's a simple but powerful feature that can save you time and prevent unnecessary rework. And there you have it. Your deleted item has been successfully restored, and you can continue working without worry. Remember, Monday.com's user interface makes these operations intuitive and effortless. Whether you've deleted something minutes or days ago, following these steps ensures that you can recover key items swiftly. I hope this was helpful and makes your Monday.com experience even more productive and stress-free.